So this is a landing page that we build to capture the data directly from the customer. Once they land on the landing page, they'll be able to enter their DOT and it'll pull in the customer data. The program underwriter then receives this submission from the insured, or this can be sent directly to the insurance agent, and it creates the entire submission with all the data. The system then takes the data, rates it, and also creates a pay plan for the risk. The system will then generate a firm quote, and that firm quote is then sent to the retail agent. The retail producer is then able to view the quote. Now the insurance agent is able to review the quote, review the limits, review the pay plan, and also see a PDF version of the quote. At this stage, the insured can now create a proposal to send directly to the customer. When creating the proposal, you can collect the payment, the down payment, and also set up the e-signatures for the documents. The insured then will receive a branded email from the retail producer that invites them to enter the proposal portal. At this stage, the insured can review the proposal. If additional coverage was to be offered, this is a screen they can choose that. They're able to review the document, the quote pack. Sign the document, and proceed to make checkout payment. At this stage, the insured would also receive an email confirmation that they've agreed to coverage and they've made the down payment. The insurance agent is also notified. Now the producer can review the signed document as well as confirmation of the e-sign validity. Once the agents reviewed the signed docs, they can send over to the underwriter to bind coverage. The underwriter then received the request to bind, and they can proceed to bind the policy in the system. They can review the signed documents, attach them to the file. Insert the policy and proceed with binding. Once the policy is bound, the underwriting can issue it directly to the agent or the insured. The agent is then notified that the policy is in force. They have their policy documents, and they can proceed to create a certificate. Once the certificate is created, it can be shared directly with the consumer or the certificate holder, either with or without tracking, as an attachment or a link. The insured is also given a portal that can be branded by the retail producer to directly log into the system. And at this stage, the insured can administer the policy, create certificates, report claims, and do other additional communications with the agency. For trucking risks, we've created a new dashboard for them that not only allows them to manage their insurance, but allows them to manage their drivers and their vehicles, and even allows for compliance management with the Department of Transportation. In addition to policy management and policy issuance, endorsements can be added, as well as all necessary premium accounting. Lastly, all relevant data can be displayed on a dashboard that is customized to the user's needs.